We'll guide you through how to cut out text in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device and wait for the program to load completely. Next, select Blank Presentation in your Microsoft PowerPoint interface to start a new file. Then, click the Create button located at the bottom left corner of the screen to proceed. After that, choose the Layout option and select a blank slide so you have a clean working area. Now, go to the Insert tab, then click Pictures and choose Picture from File to upload an image. Select a photo of a person with a solid color background and click Insert to place it on the slide. Once inserted, the Designer panel will automatically open on the side. From the available suggestions, select a full screen variant so you do not need to crop the image again. Next, go back to the Insert tab and click Shapes. Choose the rectangle shape and drag it across the slide until half of the person is covered by the rectangle. After that, click Text box, then click on the slide to create one and type any text you want. For example, how to cut out text in PowerPoint. Then, press Enter on your keyboard after words like to, out, and in to arrange the sentence into multiple lines if you are following that format. Next, click the edge of the text box to select it. Adjust the alignment by selecting Align Left or Align Right, depending on the person's position in the image. Click the Font drop-down arrow and choose any font you like. Then adjust the font size by clicking Increase Font Size if you want it bigger or Decrease Font Size if you want it smaller. Move text box to in front of the rectangle. Adjust the size again, and move your cursor to line spacing and adjust to 1.5. After that, click the rectangle first, then hold Shift and click the text box to select both objects. Go to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and select Subtract to create the cutout effect. Next, move your cursor to an empty area of the slide, right-click, and select Format Background. Then click the merged shape, open the Format Shape panel, go to Shadow, click Presets, and choose an offside bottom left or right effect. Change color shape by clicking Shape Fill and move cursor to more fill color. After that, click Color Picker Pipette for Put Photo Background. After that, click down arrow at Shape Outline and click No Outline. Finally, save your project by pressing Ctrl+ S on Windows or Command+ S on Mac. Rename your file and click Save.